Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly insert serial numbers in rows or columns without dragging in Microsoft Excel. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Excel software. And now most of the people, what they used to do in order to insert a serial numbers, they will just put a serial number 1, serial number 2, and what they will do, they will just select both the numbers and they will just try to drag in order to add serial numbers. So we are not gonna use this method. So to insert a serial numbers in rows, what you need to do is just select a respective cell and just type equal to and just type sequence and put the post bracket, and now just type the respective numbers up to how much you want to insert the serial numbers. Say I want to add up to 1000. Now just close the bracket. So once you type this command, hit enter. Voila, now you can see here total number of 1000. As you can see, up to 1000, as you can see here, has been inserted very quickly. So it's not that easy. So this is for the rows. So for the columns, once again select the respective cell from where you want to start, and once again type equal to sequence, add a first bracket, put a comma, and now just type the number up to which much you want to add, say 1000 again, and close the first bracket, and now hit enter. Now it will add a total number of 1000 serial numbers, as you can see, in columns. So by using these two methods, you can quickly insert serial numbers in rows or columns without dragging in Microsoft Excel very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.